Hi, my name is James Lewis and I'm a lettering artist. My understanding of many different lettering styles has formed the basis of my career and has led me to work with brands like Amazon, Samsung, Montblanc and Rolls-Royce. I share my creative process by teaching workshops all around the world, public speaking and producing viral video content. When I was a kid, my handwriting was terrible, still is, and calligraphy was a way for me to improve it. So I bounced around learning many different styles, finally focusing on hand lettering. I've even developed my own 3D lettering style, which distorts your perception and makes the letters appear to pop off the canvas. Brush lettering is a very traditional technique that I've been working towards bringing to life in a new and exciting way. From choosing the right brushes to controlling your breath as you paint, to the position of your body and the rotation of your wrist. In this Domestika course, I'll be teaching my technique of brush lettering to paint letters, words, and eventually logo types. I'll even share with you how I've used these skills to build an audience of over 500,000 people worldwide. In our final project, we're going to be replicating 2 famous logos with the brush lettering technique that I'll be teaching you. To do this, we'll first go over the tools that we need, and then we'll learn about the difference between calligraphy, hand lettering, and type design. First, you'll need to practice calligraphy, and for that we'll be using the brush pen. Moving on, we'll begin learning the basic strokes with our lettering brush, and then we'll be developing those skills much further. I'll guide you through how I would approach a logo type design project, and then we'll be preparing our canvas to paint a logo. The next step will be to combine what we've learned so far and begin painting our first logo, the Coca-Cola logo. And then we'll be painting the champion logo. By painting this second logo, we'll learn how and when to break the rules, and we'll start to understand the nuances between each logo type. Last but not least, I'll show you how to varnish your artwork, frame it, and then digitize it, and also how best to showcase and promote your artwork so that you can grow a worldwide audience. By the end of the course, you will have mastered the technique of brush lettering and designing a logo type. For this course, you'll need a lettering brush, a brush pen marker, matte medium, acrylic paint, pencil, ruler, tracing, grid, and carbon transfer paper, varnish, canvas board, and an easel if you feel comfortable with it. We'll be using the chiseled edge sable hair brush, which is specifically manufactured for lettering. So whether you're simply looking for a new and creative way to express yourself, or you're a lettering pro with years of experience, this course will guide you through the techniques you need to enhance and improve your lettering.